Hello everybody, it's me K-Shell, your healthy hair care specialist located in San Diego, California. Today in this video I'll be showing you how I achieve sexy beach waves for this boudoir photo shoot. Right now you're going to see me curl her hair with my curling iron. At this moment I don't remember what measurement this iron is, but I'm curling her hair some to the right and some to the left. I'm not making a full barrel curl in her hair because I want more waves than an actual curl. Here are the curls before I comb them out for our waves. And now here are our waves, our tasseled sexy waves.